how to turn on specific group high priority notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find specific group high priority notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click on any group you want, like this one, and click in the top this one, group profile. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, custom notifications. Click on it and then just click use high priority notifications, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.